Rejection can feel like being erased in real time. A message ignored, a door closed, a no you did not prepare for, and suddenly the mind starts writing a brutal story. I'm not enough. I embarrassed myself. Maybe I should stop trying. But rejection is rarely that clean. What hurts most is not always the event. It is the meaning you attach to it. Your nervous system reads rejection as a threat because humans are wired for belonging. Being excluded, dismissed, or denied can light up old fears fast. That is why even small rejection can feel huge. The body reacts before logic catches up. So first, normalize the sting. Do not act like it should not hurt. It hurts because you cared. That does not make you weak. It makes you human. Second, separate information from identity. Rejection may mean the timing was wrong, the fit was wrong, the offer was weak, or the audience was not aligned. It does not automatically mean you are worthless. Third, ask the better question, not why am I not chosen, but what does this teach me? That question changes the whole direction of the moment. It turns pain into usable data. Maybe you need sharper skill, better timing, better standards, better targeting, or maybe you simply need to stop begging the wrong room to see your value. Then use rejection as filtration. Every no can remove illusion. It shows where you stand, what needs work, and who is actually aligned with your path. The people who grow are not the ones who avoid rejection. They are the ones who stop treating rejection like a final verdict. They feel it, learn from it, then move again. And here is the deeper shift. Rejection can harden insecurity or sharpen identity. It depends on what you do next. Collapse into self-attack, and it owns you. Convert it into clarity, and it trains you. So the next time rejection hits, breathe before the story starts. Feel the sting. Take the data. Keep the self-respect. Because one closed door is not proof you are unworthy. It may be proof you are being redirected toward a better one.